In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a black and white background in Capcut. We're using Capcut's web editor, and the trick is simple. Two copies of the same video, one on top of the other. The top clip keeps your subject in full color, while the bottom clip turns black and white to become the background. Open your browser and head to Capcut.com. Create a new project and pick the canvas that matches where you'll post, like vertical for short form or horizontal for YouTube. Getting the aspect ratio right at the start saves time later. Next, upload your footage. Click Upload, then Upload File, and choose your video from your computer. Once it appears in your media, click it to add it to the timeline. Now, duplicate that video as an overlay. Drag the same video from your media onto a track above the first clip so you have two layers stacked. Make sure both clips line up from the very beginning and are the same length. Select the top overlay clip. In the right panel, open Smart Tools and choose Remove Background. Hit Auto Removal and let Capcut process the clip. This isolates your subject on the top layer and removes everything behind them. If the cutout takes a moment, that's normal. Complex edges like hair may take longer. With the subject isolated, click the bottom clip in your timeline to select it. Go to Filter, scroll to the Mono category and tap View All. Choose the BW1 filter. Applying BW1 to the bottom clip desaturates only the background while the top layer stays in color. Make sure that filter sits on the lower clip and the overlay remains above it. Scrub through the timeline to preview. If you notice edges showing, check that both layers are aligned perfectly and consider slightly trimming the start or end so they match exactly. Clean, even lighting in your original video will also improve the background removal. If the background looks a little flat, tweak the BW1 settings to adjust intensity and contrast so your subject stands out. Also confirm the filter spans the entire duration of the bottom clip. Extend it if needed so it doesn't drop off mid-shot. Minor adjustments here make a big difference, and that's it. You've created a classic color pop look with a black and white background in Capcut. Upload your video, stack a duplicate as an overlay, remove the background on the top layer and apply the BW1 mono filter to the bottom layer. Give it a quick playback to confirm everything looks seamless, then you're ready to share.